For how long have you been taking OT online? More than 2 years? We are seeing each
Yes,
other?
it has been more than 2 years.
More than 2 years. Sir, how has your experience been? Considering it's your first time in these last 2 years also that you do OT online.
Yes, it has been very helpful. The way I see her and her mood shifts whenever she is on the session, and she looks forward to the session every week. This is something which brings about a change in her everyday routine, and this monotony that sets in because she's bedridden. She really looks forward to having those sessions. Even speech therapy sessions, while she was having them, it used to help her, and she used to exercise. It used to motivate her, put in the effort to do those exercises and speak. Otherwise, off and on, she might be motivated, or we might push her or encourage her, but after a day or two, then she would just go back to her normal self. So this way, when we are having regular sessions, it keeps her up. She looks forward to it. There's some activity at home as well.
And she's been so consistent even when she has frequent illnesses also. आंटी कितना अच्छे से exercises भी करती हैं, right? है कि नहीं?
In the first year, because she was in and out of the ICU several times, I think I was calculating the other day, she spent more than 2 months in the ICU in the separate events. Whenever she used to come back from the ICU, then she was again not in a position to take up anything. But she's been stable for the past 2 years. Thankfully, we have not visited the hospital since November 23. Physically, also, she has gained a lot of strength, and
Yes.
her look appearance has changed.
Yes. I would like to bring into notice her journey. I think with speech and with OT, we started off only for 20 minutes first because she would not have energy. I think her biggest progress, consistent progress, has been she sustains a physical OT session for 30-35 minutes. है कि नहीं आंटी? 40 मिनट एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं आप, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स रियली कमेंडेबल कंसिडरिंग हर एज and her illness. As an OT, I can say that's really good. She does all the exercises, she follows the commands, and there has been a very steady outcome that she gives. When you try to do exercises at home as well, she has better energy levels. Do you feel she sustains those exercises with you?
Yeah, she does have physiotherapy sessions in the evening, most days of the week. It really depends on her mood, but she does put in the effort, and every Sunday we take her to the bathroom. Physically, she goes to and takes a shower in the bathroom.
Very nice.
It's been going on for several months now.
Very nice.
Otherwise, we had to, shampoo and everything we had to do in bed.
Yeah, the maintenance of her strength is really good. Even if she has small hiccups in her health, what I've noticed these patterns is that she regains her strength back. And auntie, very proud of you कि आप ये करते हैं, right? कैमरा को वेव करेंगे, सबको हाय बोलेंगे. Okay. Is there anything else you want to add?
So I just want to thank you all at Sound Direct, and you've been very helpful and accommodating, and we really appreciate the effort that you put in.
Thank you so much.